Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rent a car on booking.com, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So after you open the app, you can see at the top section the car rental option. Click on it, and the first option is return to same location. If you want that, turn this option on. If not, turn this off. So then you have to give the pickup location, let's say Los Angeles Airport, and the drop-off location. Then you have to set the date for your trip, then the driver's age, let's say 27. Search, and now it's going to find you the best deals. Here is a list, you can check it out, and if you select your favorite one, click on it, and then you should see a bunch of information about the car specification, what's included, important information, and so on. Then click on the next step. Now you can add insurance if you want. You can see the price here. If you want that, click on the go to book with extra cover. If no, go to book without extra cover. And now you should see the total rental price. Then click on the next step, and here you have to give all your personal information. And after this, after you fill this out, you have to give your payment method and your card details, and after that you will be able to book that car for your trip. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing.